How to create a group nickname on Emo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a group nickname on Emo app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Emo application, go to the group you want, for example this one. Now all you need to do is click on the 3 point up there and you're gonna find this page. Click on group nickname and here you can click and nickname your group. Once you are done, click on the check icon. Wait for a second. And this is, guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like.